So I'm just sat on a chair on the veranda at the top of the property, and there's the bottom down there. So spring is over now, so most of the birds have stopped singing, but when we first came here a couple of months ago, it was spring and it was just buzzing. It was just a chorus of birds, but now you do get a few birds, but not many singing. You see them more than what they sing, but at the minute all I can hear is crickets, grasshoppers and toads. I can hear the toads croaking and calling at the bottom of the garden. It's very hard to pick the toads out, so I'm just going to sit here and let you listen.